Let's look at ways you can use open houses to build your business. First, think about how to market your open house to a large audience. Get your name and brand out there. There are many ways to market an open house, and you should explore them all. Employ the most appropriate methods for each home's particular circumstances. For a big impact, send 2 waves of direct mail postcards and emails, both before and after the open house. Send out the first email as an invitation. Let them know how to schedule a private appointment with you if they can't make the open house. Then, position your brand in front of leads in the neighborhood who didn't attend the open house by sending a post-open house mailer. It should say something like, "In case I missed you at the open house last Sunday, I want to make sure you have this information." Simply putting out signs the day of the open house is not enough to maximize your opportunity. Use the postcards in conjunction with signage, flyers, print ads, Facebook ads, or whatever is appropriate for the market. Everyone who comes into an open house is a potential home buyer. Many are looking to buy a home and may not have an agent yet. If they're not in the market, they may know someone who is. Maybe they plan to buy sometime in the future. This is your chance to show them that you know the neighborhood well, understand area pricing, and are easy to work with. Demonstrate your leadership and marketing skills and show that you're sympathetic to the challenges of buying a home. Don't squander any opportunity to make what could be a lifelong connection with every person who walks through the door.